Today, I'll walk you through how to start with email marketing in Mailchimp, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create and send your first email campaign so you can effectively reach your audience and grow your business. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Mailchimp's website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Mailchimp updates its interface regularly. Once you're logged in, look for the option that says Continue with Google if you prefer to log in using your Google account. This option simplifies the login process and gets you right into your dashboard, just a couple of clicks and you're in. Now that you're in your Mailchimp dashboard, navigate to the Campaigns section. This is where all your email campaigns will be managed. Think of it as your command center for email marketing. Next, click on the Create button. This is where the fun begins. You'll be prompted to choose the type of campaign you want to create. For our purposes, we'll select the option to create an email campaign. After that, you'll see an option for fully designed template. Click on that to explore the various email templates available. Mailchimp offers a wide range of designs, so you can find one that fits your brand's style and message. It's like choosing the perfect outfit for an important meeting. From the templates, select the design you like and click on Apply. This will take you to the email editor, where you can customize your email content. Once you're done customizing your email, make sure to click on Save and Exit. This ensures that all your hard work is not lost and you can return to it later if needed. Now it's time to send your email. Click on the Send button. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure you want to send your campaign. Take a moment to review everything, and when you're ready, click on Send Now. And there you have it. You've just created and sent your first email marketing campaign using Mailchimp. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.